Welcome to Fat Tutorial. Let's make this procedural metal material in Blender. So we are in Blender now. So first of all, select all, press A and delete it. So Shift plus A, go to the mesh and UV sphere. So shade smooth, shade auto smooth, and Control plus 2 to apply subdivision modifier. Okay, then we have to go to the shading mode. So we are in shade editor now. So first of all, go to the material, select new, and we will use principal BSDF. So if you can change here also which material. So I'm using this principal BSDF. Okay, so make it metallic up to 1 and IUR is 1.45. okay, so go to the Shift plus A, search color lamp. Okay, so select this one to base color. So copy this one again and paste up to here and use this up to roughness and Shift plus A, search noise texture. Okay, so select this one, factor this, and factor also apply on this factor. Okay, and so select this one, Control plus T, so it will apply the mapping. Okay, so for this purpose, if option is not shown, go to the preferences and search node wrangler. So tick this section, so you will use this command by using Control plus T. Okay, and we will using bump, search bump bump. Okay, and place it up to here. So select color to height and this normal to apply on this now. So go to color here, so we will move up to here and make this shade into this gray. Okay, go to the this portion again and make it between here and add one more. So make this one up to here. So point system, and this dimension is 300. Okay, and make this one -2. So this detail is 5, this is 0, this is 2, and this is 5. Okay, so make the strength 0.1, make this one 1. So our brush metal is there. So make a little bit adjustment here. So now this is fully. So you will increase here, you have to adjust whatever you want. So -2 is okay now, and here I think 300 is okay. So this brush metal material is ready. I hope you like this tutorial. Please support this channel. You will get a lot regarding 3D modeling, rendering, and animation tutorial on this channel. Thank you for watching.